This is what I meant. But in my A380 graphics card, there is no warning like this. It runs perfectly. I'll play it again, the EA Battlefield. Such a very rare, I think, very rare issue. I don't know if other users of A750 experience like this. I don't know. But I'm sure this is a very, very rare issue of the graphics card. And and it happens to be me. But it's okay. It is part of the experience in the PC world, graphics world. I'll adjust my hertz to 60. Still get stuck up. Freeze. Can't use my Windows key. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Intel.